Hey everybody, how are you? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Happy Thursday. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to make this real quick today because this is part 2 of my weekend last weekend in Saugatuck. And today is all dedicated to the Rubi Girls. So girls, if you're watching, how are you? Great performance. You're going to see clips from the performance from last Saturday night. Because of the copyright, you won't hear the original music, but you'll get the fun and frolic and everything else. And I think I got a couple of little interviews with them on here as well. So I don't want to take up too much time. Yeah, I have a Santa hat here. It's kind of pink purplish fuchsia kind of color. But anyway, I'm getting ready for Christmas in July, which is at the Dunes Resort. Not getting paid for this, by the way. It's at the Dunes Resort this coming weekend on the southwest side of Michigan in Douglas, Michigan. We have a great time. A lot of people come back year after year. And I'm in charge of the Christmas parade that goes out on the tea deck for tea dance on Sunday. So if you want to join us in your area, come on up. The last I heard, there was a king room available still, but I have a feeling it's probably gone by now. But yeah, that's what's happening, and I'm packing and getting ready, getting my Santa hat, a couple other goodies in there, and I'm looking forward to the weekend ahead. It's been a busy week, work stuff. I've been canning jam if you've been following me, all sorts of stuff. So, beautiful day today, a little bit cooler. I know it's cloudy out, folks, but it's cooler and it's nice. So, I got to get going. Enjoy the Rubi Girls. Any of the Rubi Girls watching? Love you at bunches. Enjoy yourself. I will see everybody probably next Tuesday, and we'll see what kind of shenanigans I have to talk about then. All right. Happy Christmas in July, no matter where you're celebrating, and I will talk to you soon. All right. Thanks for the follow right here. Follow, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Welcome to the Dunes.
Hi.
How many years have we been coming?
This is our 16th year is what we figured out.
Which is odd because we're only 18.
Yes, we were infants.
Infants.